Welcome to this lesson on the addition rule for mutually exclusive events. In probability, we often need to calculate the chance that one event or another event will occur. Specifically, we will learn how to handle events that cannot happen at the same time, using the simple formula P of a union B equals P of A plus P of B. First, let's define what we mean by mutually exclusive. These are events that simply cannot happen simultaneously. If one happens, the other one cannot. Think of turning left versus turning right at an intersection. You cannot do both at once. Or think of rolling a single die. You cannot roll a 2 and a 5 on the same toss. There is no overlap between these outcomes. We can visualize this using a Venn diagram. Notice that we have two separate circles, A and B. They do not touch or overlap. This space between them represents the impossibility of both occurring together. Because they are disjoint, we can treat their probabilities as completely separate chunks of the total sample space. Since the events don't overlap, finding the probability that either A or B happens is straightforward. We simply add their individual probabilities together. This is the addition rule for mutually exclusive events. P of A or B is equal to P of A plus P of B. The U-shaped symbol stands for union, which is the mathematical way of saying OR. Let's apply this to a real example. Imagine rolling a standard 6-sided die. What is the probability of rolling a 2 or a 5? These are mutually exclusive because a single die can't show both numbers at once. The probability of rolling a 2 is 1 out of 6. The probability of rolling a 5 is also 1 out of 6. We just add them up. 1/6 plus 1/6 equals 2/6, which simplifies to 1/3. Here is another example. Suppose you draw one card from a standard deck of 52. What is the chance you get a king or an ace? A single card cannot be both a king and an ace, so these are mutually exclusive. There are 4 kings and 4 aces in the deck. We add 4 over 52 plus 4 over 52 to get 8 over 52, which simplifies to 2 over 13. It is crucial to be careful. If events are not mutually exclusive, this simple addition rule does not work. Look at this example, rolling an odd number or rolling a number greater than 3. The number 5 fits both categories. If we just added the probabilities, we would count the 5 twice. For overlapping events, we would need to subtract that overlap. But for today, we are focusing only on events where this does not happen. A helpful tip for solving probability problems is to look for keywords. The word OR usually hints at addition or the union of events. The word AND usually hints at multiplication or the intersection of events. When you see OR, your first thought should be add, but always check if the events can happen together first. To solve these problems systematically, follow these steps. 1. Identify your two events. 2. Look for the OR keyword. 3. Ask yourself, can these happen at the same time? If the answer is no, then you are safe to use the simple addition rule we learned today. Just add the probability of A and the probability of B. To summarize, when you are dealing with mutually exclusive events, events that cannot occur together, the probability of either one happening is the sum of their individual probabilities. Remember, OR means add. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing to master your statistics skills.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.